beautiful people. How are you today? My name is Georgia. For those of you who don't know, welcome to my channel. For my regular subscribers, welcome back. From the title, you could see that I am going to show you how to freshen up your crochet braids. But just a little bit of a backstory as how I came to get these crochet braids. If you watched my previous video, you saw where I tried a sewing for the very first time, and it turned out to be a disaster. I'm just gonna link the video in the cards so you could go ahead and watch and see what it's about. But today I am going to show you how to freshen up these braids. I don't have a video on the install, but I could just tell you a little bit about it. So these are synthetic braids. They're from, I have to read it off. I got them from Sam's Beauty, but let me read it off because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to guess. So in my hair, I have 3 packs of the Outre Synthetic Hair Crochet Braid Expression Braid 4-in-1 Loop Bohemian Curl in 14 inches. I know that's a lot, but that's how they have it on the website. I'm going to put a picture of it so you could see what it looks like. But that is what I have in my hair. I have it in the color 1B. And like I said, I have in 3 packs because that's all I had in the house at the time when I was doing these crochet braids. And I figured I would just make it work. So I've had them in my hair for about 3 weeks now. Let me show you the back. So this is basically the full length. And this is the back. Let me walk out a little bit so you guys could see. And yes, I've had them in for about 3 weeks. I've been just rocking them like this, natural, not natural, but you know, just out. And then when I go to the gym, I would put it up or whatever. But as far as the install went, I have about six to 8 braids going back, and then I put like a mesh cap on top in order to help with like areas that may have gaps, so that it'll be a little bit fuller. And then I didn't go all the way forward with the braids. I don't know if I come in a little bit closer if you could see. I didn't go all the way to the end with the braids because I really wanted to save my edges. So that's why I didn't go that far back. And I've just been wearing them like this. But now they're a little bit dry, a little bit thirsty. So I am going to show you how I go about freshening up and make them look a little bit more decent. So as you could see, we have some, I don't know if you could really see this, where we have a little bit of scraggly ends. You know, they look a little bit dry. So I am going to cut off all the little scraggly ends. And I'm going to speed up the video at this point because, you know, it's not necessary for you to see me take, what, 10-15 minutes to clean this up. So just, I'm going to speed it up and then clean it up and come back and show you the next step. So this is step 1, where you go in and you cut off all the extra ends and little knots with your scissors, okay? So here we go. Remember, it's okay to cut this hair. It's not your hair, so it's okay, you know? So you want to make sure it's looking good at all times. So it's okay to cut it. off a little bit to make sure that you have the optimal curl pattern that you're looking for. Okay, so I've trimmed it up as much as I can. I've cut off a lot of like the scraggly ends and the single strand knots, and I cut off about this much, so it's not a lot. Now what I need to go in and do it is to moisturize it a little bit. I know a lot of people say do not wet synthetic hair, but I've gone in, and since I've installed this one, I've washed it. I've gone in the shower and did a full shampoo where I needed to get to my scalp and rinse my hair, and nothing happened. It still looks good. So what I usually do is get to freshen it up is get a spray bottle with conditioner and water, and then I would section my hair and I'll spray each section, and then on top of that I will go again with some more conditioner. But I'm not going to do it section by section right now, just in the interest of time. But when you're doing it, make sure that you section your hair in 4 parts and spray with water, and then go over it with conditioner. I'm just going to do it like full head right now to show you. Okay? And then after that we have one more step, and then you're all done. So it doesn't take very long, but it helps. So, and remember, do not forget about your hair underneath. Don't forget about your scalp. You would go in and spray that too. And if you have oil that you put in your hair, remember to go in and put that on your scalp. Do not neglect your hair underneath all this, because remember, this is synthetic. This is not real. When you're done, this is going in the garbage. Your main goal of wearing this hair, like me, I'm assuming, is to help your hair underneath get more healthier and grow. So don't forget about your hair underneath all of this. So I'm going to spray for a little bit more. And don't saturate your hair with the water. Just get it enough where, you know, you feel a difference. Now bend forward. Make sure you get the back. And remember, this is just water and conditioner. Oh, and the conditioner I'm using is a regular drugstore conditioner. And this is the OGX, is it? Yeah, OGX Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. And that's what's in there. And that's what I'm going to put on top. Ooh, got some water in my eye. And I think that's about enough for this for now. Okay. Make sure you run it through, rake it through. When you do cut the hair, you're going to see that you have little bits of hair all over the place. So make sure you do it in an area that's easy to clean up, or put a towel down so that, you know, you don't have too much hair all over the floor. And this is only 3 packs of hair, and I think it's pretty full. What do you think? For 3 packs. I think if I had gone to 5 packs, I would have been like, So make the 3-pack work, because remember, with synthetic hair, after a while, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So make the 3 packs work for you. Oh, this is looking pretty good. And remember, people tell you don't wet synthetic hair. No, don't listen to that. Maybe the straight kind, but the curly one, it's fine to wet. Just put a little bit more water in an area that felt a little bit dry. And remember to get the ends. You know? Sometimes what I'll do when I go in the shower, I won't put the shower cap on and just let the steam from the shower help with this. Okay, and then, okay, that's enough manipulating. I'll go in with some conditioner, if it'll come out. yeah, you guys know how this is. And just basically run the conditioner through your hair. If you having synthetic hair, try not to use gel or mousse on it unless you could wash it out, you know, quickly, because remember, gel gets hard, the mousse also gets hard, and it's really not doing anything for the curl because your hair is already curly. You may be using it on your edges right here, but try not to put any gel or mousse on the hair itself. So a conditioner will keep it nice and soft, and it also smells really, really good. Okay, so after that experience with my sewing, I went right back to synthetic hair because I spent a lot of money on that hair, and these synthetic crochet braids don't cost that much. The most you pay for a pack is $10, and I believe this was $5 on Sam's Beauty for each pack. So I had a bunch in the house that I was using, but when I looked, came down to my last 3. I'm gonna stock up again because this here, it's almost time to take it out and start over. So what I'm rocking now is between wigs and crochet braids. I'll go back to the virgin hair pretty soon, but for now I'm comfortable with this. All right, and that's about it. And you would just give it some time to just dissolve, rub it out as much as you can, and then that's it. And the final step I usually use is, oh wow, I have another one in the bedroom, but where is it? I use an oil sheen, either a polisher. Sorry guys, I'm looking for it. I must have taken it out of here. I'll go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I either use this. This is a frizz control serum. It says helps hold curls for up to 12 hours, and it's from Curl Care. So sometimes I will use this, and it's just like a liquid, clear liquid, and it gives your hair shine. Today I'm going to put on both just to show you. And it also smells really, really good. So it gives your hair shine. It says it's help control the frizz, but remember, we're dealing with synthetic hair. Not much is going to penetrate it. And then also, I use an oil sheen, and I got both of these items from Family Dollar. This, try to find one that smells a little better. This doesn't smell too good, but spray them in the store and see which one you like. So this is from Iso Plus Oil Sheen Protective Hair Spray. It says with silk, amino acids, hair freshener, and it has dramatic shine. All right, so I usually, but because I have it already, I said let me just use it up. I don't really care for the smell, but all the other items combat that. And then what I usually also do for my edges, just to freshen it up, is to use a little bit of Style Factor Hair Booster. And again, I don't use a lot. All right, let me show you. Okay, I'm looking in the mirror over here, guys. I'm not ignoring you. Just let me see. I don't use a lot, and you come in with your handy dandy toothbrush and just go in and make it, oops, make it a little neater. And just like that, you have fresh, nice looking curls on synthetic hair. You know, it'll last a little bit longer. You don't have to take it out so soon. You know, most people take it out because it looks crusty, it looks dry. But there is a way to freshen it up, especially if it's curls, if it's curly hair. So that's it. Let me turn around so you can see the back. And that's the 4-step method. Was that enough? Wait. Let me get it back again. That is the 4-step method I use to freshen up my crochet braids, my curly crochet braids. So step 1 is to trim it with scissors, a little bit of scissors. Then you get yourself a spray bottle with conditioner and water, spray it down. Then on top of that, you put some more conditioner just to keep it soft. And on top of that, your choice, you either use a polisher or an oil sheen. Okay, so that's my method. Give it a try. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know, is there something different that you do to freshen up your crochet braids? Okay, please leave your comments. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Remember to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future uploads. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you some of the styles that I wear my hair in. It's not always like this. Remember, I tell you I go to the gym. Sometimes I have to put it up. And I'm going to show you, I think, 4 styles that I use when I am going on and about my day. All right? Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, subscribe. All right, bye-bye.